Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to reset your password for Atomic Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you've forgotten your password for your Atomic Wallet, then in this situation, the only way to recover your account is to enter your 12-word phrases during logging in. To do that, open up your Atomic Wallet application and as you can see that, you'll need to enter your password while logging into Atomic Wallet. If you've forgotten your password during the login in process, the only way to recover that is to tap on the restore button at the top right hand corner and on the next page, you need to enter the 12-word backup phrases, otherwise you will lose access to your current wallet. Tap the continue button and enter the 12-word backup phrases into the text box. If you're not sure where you can find the 12-word backup phrases, let me tell you where you can find it. From the main home page of Atomic Wallet, once you're logged in, tap on the settings button at the top right hand corner. From the settings menu, scroll down to find the security tab and give it a tap. Tap on private keys and backup option at the top of this page and now enter the password for your Atomic Wallet in order to reveal your secret recovery phrases. If you've already lost your password for your account, you won't be able to get to the secret recovery phrases as well. So, as soon as you create a new account for Atomic Wallet, store your backup phrases offline in a secured folder. Once you type in your password, tap on show private keys and it says that never share your 12 words or private keys to anyone. Simply go through the page once and tap on I've read and understood box at the bottom. Tap on show private keys and you'll be able to reveal your private keys 12-word backup phrases on this page. You can simply copy these phrases beforehand and save it to somewhere else secure. Once you've done that, even when you lose access to your password, you'll be able to recover it right away. Now, in the login area, you'll be able to get access to your account even if you've forgotten your password. To do that, tap on restore at the top right hand corner and tap continue in the pop-up. Now enter the 12-word backup phrases into the text box and finally tap on the restore button at the bottom. You'll get to set a new password for your account. Simply type in the new password that you can remember easily and tap on the set button at the bottom. Confirm your password by typing it again on the next page and tap on the confirm button again. Wait for a few seconds until your wallet loads and you'll be able to get access to your account even if you've forgotten your password. That way you can easily reset your password for your Atomic Wallet, but remember that you must have your secret recovery phrases with you backed up beforehand. Otherwise you will lose access to your wallet completely. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.